Hello America, how are you today? We're up on a little ride for the weekend of August 15th and 16th. We're up on top of the mountain on Route 250 in Augusta County, right at the county line of the Highlands County, also heading towards West Virginia. Just had the opportunity to speak with some more riders that are from the Chesapeake, Suffolk area that had enjoying this beautiful day, and just got their opinion on life and everything. Beautiful mountains in the background. Hey, we love our freedoms, and we're gonna do what we can to make sure that we can pursue them. Okay, here we are, the West Virginia line. We leave Highland County in Virginia and we come to Pocahontas County in West Virginia. Anyway, hey, we're having a great time. Lots of good twisties on this Route 250 coming out of Staunton, and we just came through Monterey and had a little lunch there, and now we're heading down into West Virginia, heading to Spruce Knob, and we are going to be turning on Route 28 here shortly. And this area says that this is where the Civil War began in West Virginia. It's right here at this location. This is absolutely breathtaking. This is Spruce Knob, which is the highest point in West Virginia. It's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful view here. Fresh air, temperature's probably about 70 degrees right now. It's just a beautiful, beautiful afternoon here in West Virginia on top of Spruce Knob. Highest point in West Virginia, Spruce Knob, 4,863 feet. We did it. Down Briary Road, it's coming down from Spruce Knob. Got a little rain going on. I'm sitting up underneath the tree right now, trying to stay a little bit dry. Maybe we'll see.